Must one recap your financial foundation review. Review everything learned during stage 1 and measure financial progress. Why it matters. Reflection strengthens habits, identifies improvements, and prepares viewers for the next stage of their financial journey. 1 month ago, you decided to take control of your financial future. Maybe you started with little knowledge, perhaps you had many questions, or maybe you simply wanted to stop worrying about money. Regardless of where you begin, reaching the end of the first month is an achievement worth celebrating. Financial success is not created overnight. It is built one lesson, one habit, and one smart decision at a time. Just like athletes review their performance after every match and businesses evaluate their progress every month, successful people regularly review their financial journey. Today's video is not about learning something completely new. Instead, it is about looking back at everything you have learned during the first month and measuring your progress, recognizing your improvements, and identifying areas that still need attention. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how far you come, what habits you will develop, and how ready you are for the next stage of your financial education. Let's begin your month 1 financial foundation review. Point number 1, understanding what money really means. The first lesson of your financial journey was understanding that money is more than paper, coins, or numbers in your bank account. Money represents time, effort, skills, opportunities, and freedom. Every dollar, euro, rupee, or you earn reflects hours of your life. When you spend money wisely, you are respecting your effort. When you waste money, you are also wasting the time you spent earning it. This shift in thinking changes financial behavior. Instead of asking, can I afford this? You begin asking, is this worth my time and effort? People who develop this mindset naturally become better savers and smarter investors. They stop chasing instant gratification and start making long-term decisions. This simple perspective creates a powerful foundation for financial growth. It encourages intentional spending, responsible saving, and thoughtful investing. Before moving to advanced financial concepts, this mindset becomes the cornerstone of every future decision. A strong financial life begins with understanding the true value behind every unit of currency you earn. Example, imagine buying an expensive gadget after working 40 hours. Instead of seeing only the price, you recognize it represents an entire week of your life. That realization helps you make a smarter decision. Next, point number 2, building financial awareness through budgeting. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself, it is about giving every dollar a purpose. During this month, you learned how income flows into your life and how expenses flow out. Many people believe they know where their money goes until they actually write it down. A simple budget reveals spending patterns, hidden subscriptions, unnecessary purchases, and opportunities to save. Budgeting also reduces financial stress because it removes uncertainty. You know how much you can spend without guilt because every expense has already been planned. This habit improves confidence and creates discipline. Over time, budgeting becomes automatic rather than difficult. It transforms financial decisions from emotional reactions into logical choices. Budgeting is one of the simplest yet most effective financial tool available to everyone regardless of income level. It helps individuals, families, students, and business owners maintain financial balance. Mastering budgeting during your first month creates a lifelong advantage. Let's say example. Sarah tracked her spending for 30 days and discovered daily coffee purchases totaled over $120 each month. Preparing coffee at home allowed her to save that money for future investments. Next, point number 3, understanding needs versus wants. One of the biggest financial breakthroughs comes from discussing between needs and wants. Needs are essential for survival and daily living, while wants improve comfort or enjoyment but are not necessary. Learning this difference prevents impulsive spending and encourages mindful purchasing. Modern advertising consistency constantly convinces people they need products they actually only want. Social media also creates pressure to spend in order to fit in. Developing awareness allows you to pause before making purchases and ask whether something genuinely improves your life. This simple question reduces unnecessary expenses while increasing financial freedom. Over time, your purchasing decisions become intentional instead of emotional. You still enjoy life, but you prioritize long-term goals over temporary satisfaction. This habit protects your finances regardless of economic conditions. People who master this concept often experience less debt and a greater financial stability throughout their lives. Example for this point, buying groceries for the week is a need. Purchasing the latest smartphone simply because friends upgraded theirs is usually a want. Next, point number 4, creating the habit of saving first. Saving is not what remains after spending. Successful people save first and spend what remains. During this month, you learned the importance of paying yourself before paying everyone else. Even small savings matter because consistency is more powerful than size. Regular saving builds confidence and prepares you for unexpected situations. It also creates opportunities for investing in the future. Many people delay saving until they earn more money, but higher income alone does not guarantee wealth. Financial discipline matters far more than salary size. Automatic saving systems make this process easier by removing emotion from the decision. Over months and years, consistent saving becomes one of the strongest financial habits you can develop. It creates a peace of mind while opening doors to future opportunities that would otherwise remain unavailable. Example for this point, David automatically saved just 10% of every paycheck. Within a year, he built an emergency fund without feeling deprived. Next, point number 5, preparing for emergencies before they happen. Life is unpredictable. Medical emergencies, job loss, unexpected repairs, or family situations can appear without warning. An emergency fund acts as your financial safety net. During this month, you learned why emergency savings should come before aggressive investing or luxury spending. This fund reduces stress during difficult moments because you already have resources available. It also prevents unnecessary debt caused by unexpected expenses. Building an emergency fund takes patience, but every contribution increases financial security. Knowing you can handle surprises without borrowing money creates confidence and independence. This simple habit protects your long-term financial goals from temporary setbacks. Financial resilience is just as important as financial growth. Example, when Lisa's car suddenly required expensive repairs, her emergency fund covered the cost, allowing her to avoid high-interest credit card debt. Next, my number 6, understanding the power of financial goals. Money without direction often disappears. Financial goals provide purpose for every earning, saving, and investing decision. During this month, you learned how to create short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial goals. Clear goals improve motivation because every financial action moves you closer to something meaningful. Goals also make sacrifices easier because you understand what you are working toward. Writing goals down increase accountability and progress. As circumstances change, goals can be adjusted while maintaining your overall financial vision. Whether your dream is buying a home, traveling, retiring comfortably, or starting a business, financial planning transforms dreams into achievable objectives. Goals create focus, and focus creates results. Instead of simply saying, I want to save money, Emma set a goal saving $5,000 within 2 years for higher education. Next, point number 7, learning how financial habits shape the future. Your financial future is determined less by occasional big decisions and more by daily habits. Small actions repeated consistently create remarkable long-term outcomes. During the past month, you developed habits such as tracking expenses, budgeting, saving regularly, and avoiding impulsive purchases. These habits compound over time just like investments. Good habits make smart financial decisions easier, while poor habits quietly create long-term problems. Consistently matters far more than perfection. Missing one day does not matter nearly as much as giving up completely. Financial success belongs to those who continue making small improvements every day. Habits eventually become your financial identity. Let's say example for this point. Saving just $5 every day may seem insignificant, but after years of consistency, it becomes thousands of dollars. Next, point number 8, measuring your progress on a scale. Reflection is one of the most overlooked financial skills. Instead of comparing yourself to others, compare yourself to who you were 1 month ago. Ask whether you understand money better, spend more intentionally, save more consistently, or feel less financial stress. Honest evaluation helps identify strengths and weaknesses. Celebrating small improvements builds motivation, while recognizing mistakes provides opportunities for learning. Financial growth is not measured only by bank balances but also by knowledge, confidence, and behavior. Progress may sometimes be slow, but every positive step matters. Continuous improvement always beats temporary perfection. Example, if last month you had no budget and today you successfully follow one every week, that is significant financial progress. Next, point number 9, identifying areas that need improvement. Every financial journey includes challenges. Some people struggle with overspending, while others find saving difficult. Reflection helps identify these obstacles before they become major problems. Instead of feeling discouraged, use mistakes as valuable lessons. Successful investors, entrepreneurs, and financial experts all learned from setbacks. Improvement begins with awareness. Once you identify weak areas, you can create specific plans to strengthen them. Continuous learning keeps your financial knowledge growing. Financial mastery is a lifelong journey rather than a destination. Every review prepares you for even greater success in the future. Example: John realized impulse shopping remained his biggest weakness. So he adopted a 24-hour waiting rule before making non-essential purchases. Next to point number 10, preparing for stage 2 of your financial journey. Completing your first month is only the beginning. You now understand budgeting, saving, emergency funds, financial goals, and healthy money habits. These foundational lessons prepare you for more advanced topics like investing, wealth building, passive income, retirement planning, taxes, and financial independence. Without a strong foundation, advanced strategies often fail. But because you will invest the time in learning the basics, you are already ready to build upon them with confidence. Continue practicing the habits you will develop while remaining curious and open to learning. Financial education never truly ends because economics, technologies, and opportunities continue evolving. Your greatest investment remains your financial knowledge. Every lesson you learn today creates opportunities tomorrow. Example: just as a house requires a strong foundation before adding additional floors, financial success depends on mastering the basics before pursuing advanced wealth building strategies. Finally, congratulations on completing your first month of financial learning. Take a moment to appreciate how much you will grown. Whether your progress feels large or small, every positive financial habit you build today creates a stronger future tomorrow. Remember, wealth is not created by one perfect decision. It's created by thousands of small choices made consistently over time. In the next stage of this journey, we will begin exploring more advanced strategies that help your money grow faster and work harder for you. If you found this recap valuable, like this video, share it with someone beginning their financial journey, and subscribe to Read to Build for practical financial education designed for learners around the world. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your financial future one small decision at a time. Thank you.